I'm going to show you a chart later on in this video, and I think Bitcoin might look like this chart in the future. Okay, but before we can get to that, overall today's a sad day because I'm quite sure there's a lot of people trapped. Okay, a lot of people went all in, and things don't look too good when it comes to the crypto market. And you guys pretty much, you got caught up in the hype. And, me personally, I was one of those, guys too back in 2017. But overall, since I do this full time, I started to see the signs early. Most of you guys didn't because you're new to this, all right? So you probably don't want to see the signs because you probably went all in. And like I said, I used to make fun of Moon Boys, whatever, but it's sad because people are actually losing their hard-earned money just because they believe, right, people that look like professionals. And you got these crazy YouTubers that have a lot of subscribers, and automatically they believe everything they say. Okay, so what I want to do is just tell you guys, okay, stop believing anybody. All right, you want to believe a real professional. A professional is a person that's doing this full time, paying their bills from investing or trading. Okay, that's who you want to listen to. Don't listen to a person that sounds good. Okay, but at the end of the day, they making money from you. That's the only time, or that's the only way they basically making. That's how they make their living. Okay, if you give them a super chat or buy their course or buy affiliate programs from them, that's the only way, right? Or the YouTube AdSense, that's the only way these guys are making money. Okay, if they're not making money from the markets, you should not listen to these guys. Now, right now, guys, it's just the market. I've been telling you guys it looks weak. How long I've been telling you guys this market looks weak? Rejection right here. We have another rejection right here. We have lower highs, guys. I told you guys these two candles right here is not screaming bullish to me. Okay, those two candles are not screaming bullish. Remember when I went live the other time, I told you guys this is not a bullish move. Okay, and another thing is when we hit this resistance, this channel right here, we got this big huge rejection right away. But of course, your favorite YouTuber told you that we are going to consolidate and we're going to break up and we're going to see 50K by the end of this year. Okay, guys, are you not tired of that? Are you tired of the lies, of the same thing going on every single, like some of you guys are not tired of it because you went all in, so you want to believe whatever that sounds positive. Okay, but overall, me personally, I was very hyped about crypto back in 2017 because I got I guess they fooled me because the word decentralized, it hit me like I really fell in love with that. Okay, but I started to see the red flags. Okay, and the first red flag was the promotion by CNBC. The second red flag was basically when the futures market came in late 2017, and we had this major sell-off. Okay, if you know anything about the futures market, that's not a good sign. A futures market is used to hedge. It's not a vehicle that people just buy in just because. Okay, if you just go look it up. Okay, now we have so many red flags. We're talking about regulations. Okay, and then we have Wall Street coming in. These are red flags. Most of you guys probably don't want to hear it again just because you went all in, and I understand. I'm not trying to bash anybody. I understand when you go all in, you don't want to hear nothing. You don't want to hear the other side, which is cool. I understand that. Okay, but my job is to present this stuff no matter what, how you feel. Okay, no matter how you feel, I still have to present this stuff because you guys are losing your hard-earned money. Now, I told you guys I believe we will continue to go back to 6,000. Why? Because we went up too quick. Okay, and as soon as we went up, I told you guys I'm looking for resistance around this area right here. We went up, boom, hit resistance, and now we selling off like crazy. All right, but you don't want to listen to a guy like me, because I'm not telling you we go into 50K. I'm not telling you we go into 1 million. It's all good though at the end of the day. But anything that looks too obvious, guys, is too obvious. All right, and it's most likely not going to work. This was a too obvious situation right here. Most people thought we was going to break out, continue to go back up to the highs or whatever. Too obvious. Okay, this right here, this big 2 candle spike, we thought we was going to go up. Boom, got knocked down. Too obvious. Okay, so you have to understand, you can't get excited, okay, just because you see green bars. Now, let's say that we catch support somewhere along right here, because you know the market doesn't just go down in a straight line. We do have pullbacks. Guess what, guys? We're gonna have a pullback, and guess what? Your favorite YouTuber is gonna say, guys, this is it. This is the bottom. Go all in. I know it. I did some phone calls. These guys told me this is it, guys. And guess what? Boom. Okay. So you can't get excited when you see just the market going up, guys. You have to understand the market. The market has pullbacks. All right. That's what it is. These green bars is just a pullback, right? This whole move right here, guys, this whole move right here, and I've been telling you guys, is just a pullback. Most of you guys said, nah, it's not a pullback, it's the bull market. All right, fine, whatever you want to say. All right, but overall, guys, crypto market, in my opinion, is not the same, because we have too many distractions and too many, middleman coming in. Crypto was not designed for that. Okay. It wasn't designed for Wall Street to come in. It wasn't designed for regulations. It wasn't designed for none of this stuff. Okay, so when I saw that stuff, me personally, I started to, I didn't think about any type of long-term investments when it comes to the crypto market. Only trading it. Okay, so that's the only way. The way I see people can actually make money from this is by trading it, and that's it. All right, long-term investments. Like I said before, me personally, I hope it goes up, just because I want to see you guys to, I want you guys to succeed. I hope it goes to 100K, $1 million. But do I see that? No, I don't see that. I just see a big mess, a big pump and dump, and most people will always come back and say, well, the last 10 years, Bitcoin did the same thing. And guys, listen, you can say whatever you want to say, which is cool. Okay, you can have your own opinion. I'm cool with that. But at the same time, okay, just because it went up 10 years straight is not enough data. Don't you understand 10 years is a small amount of data? That's not enough for you to tell me, or you to argue with me, go back and forth and say, well, the last 10 years it's been going up straight, so it has to go up. Anyway, so another thing what people will say, well, it's impossible for the government to shut this down. Well, listen, guys, let me explain something to you. The government is way ahead of us, guys. All right, the technology, the blockchain technology is an old technology. Okay, you have to understand the government has, technology that is way better than blockchain. Okay, so for you to even try to compare blockchain and the government, honestly, guys, I don't think you understand the game. Okay, I don't really think you guys understand the power that these guys have. But anyway, okay, I hope you guys are tired of waiting. Okay, and you see that buy and hold is usually for the rich, because you don't have the money and you don't have the time to be wasting if you don't have $5 to $10 million in your bank account. Most of you guys don't have that. Okay, so you don't have time to be wasting and hoping that things will work out. You need to make money now. Okay, and the thing about buy and hold is, guess what? You only can make money one way. Okay, so let me show you the chart that Bitcoin might look like. Right? Let's go TRX BTC. Boom. Let's go. Okay, this is it right here. So I would say Bitcoin is right here. Okay, we had this big sell-off right here. We had a pullback, so I would say Bitcoin is at this stage right here. Now is going down, so we can go right back down to 3K, maybe hit 2K, and then we're gonna have probably the halving in coming in, and boom, we're gonna have another up move. So it can look just like this, another fake out in 2020, and just to go right back down. Okay. So I'm not saying that to be negative. I'm saying I understand these pumps, these pump and dumps, these patterns. They usually don't play out. Okay. These pump and dump patterns don't usually play out long term. Okay. But at the end of the day, like I said before, it's all love. I wish you guys the best. I wish you guys $1 million. I hope so. But for me, just a professional looking at this, it doesn't look good. I told you guys before. You guys know how I feel. Okay. Too many red flags right here. Too many red flags right now. Okay. It's just what it is. But overall, guys, I hope you guys have a nice day. I might do a live stream later on. Talk to you guys later. What I would do is educate yourself. Okay. Figure out how to make money. Whatever it is, don't try to wait and look for that home run. Try to make money and try to figure out ways to make money now, okay? On a daily basis, weekly basis, and monthly basis, okay? That's the best way to make money. Talk to you guys later, and please have a great day.